Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've got the essentials ready. Confirm your iPhone and iOS support the floating keyboard, and make sure keyboard gestures are enabled. Now go to an app that shows the keyboard, because you'll act immediately. Use 2 fingers to pinch inward on the full keyboard. That compresses it into a smaller floating panel. This reduces reach and keeps more of the screen visible. Once done, practice the pinch a couple times so the motion becomes natural and reliable. Once the keyboard is floating, you can refine its placement and size. Pinch to shrink further or spread to enlarge, then press and hold the bottom edge and drag the mini keyboard where your thumb reaches best. For more reachability, long press the globe or emoji icon to select one-handed mode, left or right, which shifts keys closer to your thumb. If you prefer persistent compact layouts, install a third-party keyboard with a size slider. Make sure to allow To finish, test typing and adjust until it feels right. Spread 2 fingers to return to the full keyboard or drag the handle to snap it back. Make sure reachability is enabled if you need temporary screen reduction on larger devices. It's a good complementary option. If the floating keyboard won't appear or resets, don't panic. Check for an iOS update, restart the phone, and toggle keyboard settings. If that still fails, remove any third-party keyboard. Then retry the pinch gesture to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.